Hello everyone and welcome. Oh. Been a while since I've done a pay dirt review. It's been a while since I've been in a garage. Hello everyone, it is Heath with the Groovy Gold Hunter and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this new video. I have been on a hiatus for a couple weeks. I have not done any pay dirt reviews. I have not done anything because I went on vacation last weekend. We went on a 3-day cruise, got back last week. I'm finally back in the garage, finally ready to do a pay dirt review, and I've got 3 of them, and I'm going to start with one. I'm not going to do all 3, but I am going to do this one. This is a brand new pay dirt that I've never done before, and I've seen it on Amazon. It's an Amazon pay dirt, and I wasn't going to get it, but I just decided, you know what, I don't always have to get 1 gram bag, 2 gram bag, 3 gram bags. I can do smaller ones, right? Since this was a new pay dirt, never seen it before, I decided to just go ahead and buy it. And here it is. It is the Gold Baron pay dirt. There's only 1/4 gram guaranteed in this bag. So this is what we're going to do tonight. Let's do the intro and we will get right into it. As I was saying, it's been a couple weeks since I've even been in the garage. I've got cons that I need to repan. I've got other pay dirt sitting in a bowl. So the one we're doing today is Gold Baron pay dirt. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I will tell you that later. Let's get started with this one right now by opening it up and looking and seeing what we got inside. This is what has been keeping me busy. This little turkey right here. He is the sweetest little thing in the world. Aren't you? You're the sweetest thing in the world. We gotta go pee-pee though, don't we? All right, let's go pee-pee. You gonna let me do a pay dirt review tonight? No? Okay, he's probably not gonna let me do it tonight, but we'll try. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and weigh this. See what we got here. Looks like we got 2 pounds, 6.5 ounces. So let's open her up and see what we got inside. I don't know what kind of pay dirt this is as far as difficulty. There's a lot of pay dirt for 1/4 gram. By the way, he also sent, or they sent this, I think this is a sticker on the back. It said, "Thank you for your purchase. Please leave us an Amazon review, the Gold Baron." Yeah, it's definitely a sticker. So I will put that on the wall. Ooh, wow, that's a lot of sand. Typical pay dirt bag. It's got that little half moon crease. Very dry though. Oh, and it comes with a gold vial. And then here is the very, very fine sandy pay dirt. So yeah, I'm not even going to mess with the 1/4 inch. We will start with the 10 mesh and work our way down. So let's get on to that right now. So I'm not going to drag this one out too long. I really don't even know if 10 mesh is small enough. We'll pour it in there. There's a little bit in there, but not a whole lot. There's the 10 mesh. What few small rocks there are, they're all round rocks. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I think I need to stop. And yeah, we'll speed this up a little bit. Okie guys, we are done with the classifying. Kind of sped through that as fast as I could. There's really not a whole lot of big material. It's mostly -60 and +60, but here it all is, and we will start with the -60. Then there is the +60 and the 40 mesh, 20 mesh, and then that's the 10 mesh and everything above. Yeah, really small material. We're going to start low and go all the way up, but I have a feeling most of it's going to be in these bigger ones. There's a lot of material in these, so let's get started. So before we even get started, I went ahead and pulled out all the magnetic material. There it all is right there. It's mostly pretty weak stuff too. It wasn't like strong magnetic material. Here is the -60, and we are going to do a bunch because there's a lot of it. Looks like it's just a lot of sand. All right, so that's good enough. Let's start panning this first pan, see what we got going on here. This back, and no gold. So let's put a whole bunch in here this time, and I'm going to stratify this, and I'll be right back once I'm done stratifying it. All right, done stratifying, and let's pan it. right, quick tap. And no gold. Let's pour the rest in. It's going to be a lot, but doesn't look like there's any gold in this minus 60. All right. Quick tap and no gold again. I don't think. Well, no, I think there's one piece of flour gold. I don't know if you can see it, but I will suck that up. And we are done with the minus 60. The material is extremely dark, so it's very easy to spot gold. So I was able to pan it out a lot quicker. Plus, it wasn't that hard to pan out. And here we are. A lot of that stuff too. So we're gonna pour that much in. I could see a little bit of, looks like mica in there. I don't know, there's some shiny stuff in there floating to the top. You see that top layer? Looks like little gold floating specks. All right, let's pan this. This stuff just about pans completely out. It's very easy to pan. Nothing in this one. All right, next batch, and then I will come back when I'm ready to pan. And I'm ready to pan. Yeah, this stuff just pours right out of the pan. There's nothing in there. No gold either, but I basically panned all the sand. There's the last bit of it. Let's pan it from my bigger ripples this time. Usually when I pan any kind of material, it gets to a certain point and then it won't go anywhere. Is that gold? Look at that, one speck. Just like the minus 60, the plus 60 has one speck of gold. And we're done with the plus 60. All right, we're flying through this. So yeah, we got 40, 20, and 10 to go and we're done. So let's get to the 40 mesh. And here is the 40 mesh. We could probably do this in 3. We'll do that much. Let's see if we get any gold out of this one. I think we finally got some gold. Let's tap this back. And yes, we have 2 pieces. Let me move that one up. 2 very, very small, tiny flakes, but we got 2 pieces nonetheless. And let's move on to the next batch. 3 little specks, 1, 2, 3. We will suck those up. We got one more batch and we're done. All right, here we go. There's the gold right there. Definitely my best pan so far. So what do we get there? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 pieces of some very, very small flaky gold. And we are done with the 40 mesh. On to the 20. I'm taking a break here looking at this stuff. This is on Amazon, by the way. And it says generic gold bearing pay dirt. Generic gold bearing pay dirt. 1/4 gram. So I'm going to read you the description. Every bag exceeds the minimum of 1/4 grams of gold. About 1 in 10 bags has double the guaranteed minimum or more. A wide variety of flake nugget size ranging from 30 mesh to 10 mesh or larger in every bag. 5 out of 10 difficulty level. A lot of the sand is magnetic, but it is dry, not muddy. You may need to pan the bag 2-3 times to find all the smaller flakes. Approximately 2 pounds of dirt in every bag equals more time panning. Majority of the gold is from the Yukon and or Colorado, but may have small quantities of Oregon, Washington gold and or platinum too. Okay, so there's the description. Paid $45 for this bag. I know I overpaid for this bag because 1/4 gram is what, 20 bucks worth of gold right now in the market. Yeah, that's looking around a 50 to 60% ROI on this, depending on how much gold I get out of it. And here's the 20 mesh. This is going to be 2 pans. We will pan down back at my water. We'll do about half and half. 1 piece of gold. And there it is. Let's go ahead and keep rolling and finish the 20 mesh. This is a pretty quick pay dirt. All right, here we go. Wow. Oh, okay. There's some gold. I was going to say, I don't think there's any gold in there, but it was buried at the bottom. So tap it back and there is 1 piece of gold. That is the theme of these last pans on the classification. 1 piece of gold. And we're done with the 20 mesh. So we just got the 10 mesh left, and I was going to say earlier, I don't think we're going to have any gold in this, but we might, because I definitely don't think that's 1/4 gram. There's no way. I don't even think that's like a 5/100th of a gram, to be honest with you. It's the final one. Let's see if we got any gold. And this is 10 plesh mousse. Y'all not speak gibber? This is 10 mesh plus. I think I hear some gold. It really does sound like gold scratching the pan. So let's see. Let's see if I'm right. Yeah, this bigger material, it looks like river rocks. And this stuff's a little bit heavier. Yeah, I see a piece of gold in there. Looks like a picker. That's good enough. Tap it, boom, and there it is. That's a nice size. Definitely a picker, but nice piece of gold right there. I'm shocked. We'll suck it up and we're done. Yes, sir, we are done with the pay dirt review, and I got it all done in 1 battery. I did not have to change batteries. That's a first as well. We'll see if it is 1/4 gram. I know I didn't get one of those bonus bags where it's like double the amount, but we'll see what we got. We'll take it upstairs. We'll look at it, weigh it, get a value, and we'll see what kind of ROI we got on the generic Gold Baron pay dirt bag. All right, guys, we are in the room. It is dried up, and it is time to look at this gold. There it is. We got 1 nice size picker. Rest of them are really small flakes. Couple pieces of flour gold, but that's about it. So let's weigh it right now and see how much we got. We are on. We got our grams. We will zero that out, and here it comes. Ka-chunk, ka-chunk. 0.263. So we got our 1/4 gram. Barely, but we got our 1/4 gram. All right, so that is done. Now let's get a value. Let's get on the computer. All right, we are on the gold calculator. Let's put the numbers in right now. 0.263 is what we got. We will call it 24 karat. Gold price is $2,489.85. Calculate $21.05. $21.05. I paid $45 for it. This was Amazon. Calculate 46%. That's not good. But I knew that going in, because I knew 1/4 gram is about $20 worth of gold. And for them to sell it for $45, I already knew it was bad. What I was curious to see is how much more gold did they put in there than 1/4 gram. And now I got my answer, at least with this bag. So, all right, let's close it out. Yeah, that's kind of what I figured. I've been seeing that pay dirt a lot on Amazon. That's why I went ahead and bought it to review it. Definitely not going to be buying that again. It's not a very good pay dirt as far as return is concerned. Yeah, 40%. He does have a website. It's actually Gold Baron pay dirt. I keep saying Baron Gold, but it's Gold Baron pay dirt. That 1/4 bag on his website is $33.30, which you think, oh, that's better. But I looked it up. I acted like I was checking out. By the time you pay taxes and shipping, it's $46 out the door. So I actually paid less than what he charges on the pay dirt bag. So yeah, it's $46. So it would have been less than 40 whatever percent I said. It's less than 50%, and those are the ones I try to stay away from. So he does talk about how 1 in 10 bags have double the minimum amount, so even that, you get a 1 in 10 chance to actually get about 100% return. I'm not a fan of people who do the, oh, if you have a 1 in 10 chance or 1 in 5 chance to getting more gold in your pay dirt. It's just a way to get people to buy their pay dirt and hope that they are the lucky ones to get it. There's too many pay dirt companies out there that give you 80%, 90% return, 50% return. Not for me, but I was curious to see how it was. But now I know. I'm not dogging the company. I'm just giving you my honest opinion of it. Anything under 50% to me is no good. It's got a cool logo though. I like his logo. That's nice. Thank you guys for watching this pay dirt review of the Gold Baron pay dirt, the Amazon purchase. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like button, share button. Helps my channel. Cost you nothing to subscribe to my channel. See, I don't charge you anything for you guys to watch this ugly mug. Any questions or comments? Down there. Leave them below. I will read them, and I usually get back to everybody who sends me a comment for the most part, or especially to ask a question. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next review. Peace and love. Bye-bye.